Whoa. Let's try that tree.
Why are you crying? So we're flying for the first time. Huh? Are you excited?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
You know where we're going?
Bye.
Do you know where we're going to go?
Yeah. London.
Yeah, it's your birthday.
It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
No, not today. It's on Saturday.
What about my presents?
It's you getting.
We're pushing back already way ahead of schedule, so please make sure your hand luggage is safely stowed away by now. Please fasten your seatbelts and bring all of your electronic devices into the flight mode.
Why are we going back?
Because we have to get on the runway.
Heading back home. Alright, so just take out the diaper just in case. Preparing diapers just in case, guys. We are flying back home. As you can see. Say hi. Say Jean. Hi. Oh, sorry.
The nearest exit may be also located behind you. Very good job, thank you.
He was already crying, waiting at the top of his voice. Got a little gift. We have to suck. We have to give some milk. Huh? Guys, we're leaving London now. I think we're in Heathrow. We're leaving, so. Snack time. Guys, we're waiting for our flight. Waiting for our connecting flight. We've been waiting for the past 2 hours. We got 2 more hours to go. Say hi. Hi. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Going
To South Korea.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, make a noise. Why are you excited? I don't know. We made it. That was a long flight, but we made it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you stick around for the tips that I have when traveling with kids. Finally made it. Now we're waiting for the bus. We are at Incheon Airport.
We're waiting for the bus.
Oh, sorry, we're waiting for Daddy to bring the car. All right, so tip number 1, bring lots and lots of activities, okay? If your kid likes drawing, bring your drawing activities. If they like coloring, make sure you bring extra paper because they do provide those things on board, but sometimes it's not enough. And for a person like my oldest son, he was like, I want to draw, I want to color. And you know, I had like a notebook that he used. So bring a lot of color pencils. Bring a lot of snacks that your kids enjoy, because sometimes they, you know, they give you like a yogurt that's not tasting so great, and you know, they end up not eating even the food that is provided. Like for the infant, they provide those, like, you know, those canned like purity type of cans or canned food, and my baby is just not about that life. Okay, so make sure that you bring food that your child is going to enjoy. Luckily, they don't stress you out too much when you're entering with baby food, so bring lots and lots of food. Okay. One thing that was a lifesaver, and it's very cold here, he's coming, was downloading Cocomelon. Okay, download your kids' favorite, I'm spitting all over the place, your kids' favorite videos to watch. Okay, whether it's Cocomelon, whatever, Peppa Pig, just download as much as you can. Okay, because in-flight entertainment sometimes is not so catered to like really small babies and stuff like that. So he really enjoys Cocomelon, and we downloaded like 34 episodes of it. Okay, and he just kept on watching whenever he wanted to watch. So that was awesome, and it was very quiet. And the next one, make sure that when you take off or land, make sure that your child is sucking on something. Every time we took off, I made sure that I gave him a bottle of milk. And every time we landed, I did the same, okay, so that the ears, they don't, you know, feel too much pressure. With my son, I just made sure that he ate something. He wasn't affected really much about, like, the pressure didn't affect him that much, so he was okay. Just I wanted to make sure that the baby does not start the flight. The violence, stop it. The baby, I just wanted to make sure that the baby does not cry throughout the entire flight, and he did very great. You did great. He didn't cry. Like, I was like, yeah, one more time. You did great. And it was such a pleasant flight. Every time it's like, oh, we didn't even know that there was a baby here. So I'm like, yes, that's awesome. So yeah, guys, those are the tips that I have for you. If I think of any, I'll add. He's picking the bags in the cold. Thank you. It's so cold. It's so cold. But guys, yeah, those are the tips that I have. So happy flying with them babies. Okay, it's doable. It's possible. It's a little daunting, but you can do it. Yeah, I'm just happy because my kids, they did not cry. That's number one thing. You're just like, oh my gosh, is my kid gonna be noisy the entire flight? And you don't want that. So I'm just happy that it happened to be, you know, my case. But you know, I know some people who actually let people, like, give people presents and stuff like that. I'm like, why? A kid is gonna act like a kid. So I don't understand. Maybe, yeah, to each his own. Some people think it's courtesy to like provide gifts and stuff like that. What if you provide all those people with gifts and your child just acts very like 100% normal? All that money. But anyway, yeah, to each his own. There's nothing wrong. Hold on, baby, I'm almost done. There's nothing wrong with providing gifts, but at the same time, I don't know, I just think that kids will be kids, kids will cry, and we should just let them. No stress. Anyway, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this very random vlog of mine. I'll see you soon.